Hello. Before we start today's episode, if you would like a condensed version of what I'm talking about in this podcast, go ahead and subscribe to the Perfectionist Guide. To access this, go to CourtneyLoveGavin.com/newsletter. Welcome to the show today. This is Perfectionism Rewired with me, CLG. But today's mini episode is an addendum to yesterday's episode about the perfectionism secret you're not supposed to know. The asterisk that we are putting on that episode is, if you're wondering whether you're an adaptive or a maladaptive perfectionist, the answer is both. It's yes. Whether someone is a maladaptive perfectionist or an adaptive perfectionist, it depends on their perspective. Yesterday's episode introduced the multidimensional scale of perfectionism and shatter the lie of this binary world that we live in. You're either anxious or you're not. You're either depressed or you're not. And the truth is that when it comes to mental health, it's completely driven upon context. The way that you're actually able to rewire your perfectionism to cash in on this incredible power that you have inside of you and to leverage it as a strength is to accept that you are a perfectionist. It's looking at it through a not bad lens. Does that make sense? I have ADHD. It's not like, oh, you're being ADD right now. You're not ADD right now. I'm ADHD 24/7. The difference is whether the lens that I'm looking at it through, if I'm like, oh my God, my ADHD is so annoying, it takes me forever to do these tedious tasks, versus I'm going to make this into a game, which is what you learn inside Perfectionism Rewired in neuroplasticity. Put the lens, be more adaptive so that I can be more flexible. We're making it so instead of just taking one route, using the analogy of cars and your nervous systems and the way that you process things, we make it so that you can take all these other roads that are much more efficient, have better scenery, yada, yada, yada. And so to help you with this, well, what kind of perfectionism am I? I created an 11-question quiz. I give you 11 different areas for you to rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10. I wanted something that was beyond the, I'm a messy perfectionist, I'm a classic perfectionist, beyond typecasting, more to the actual behaviors and perspectives of being a perfectionist is going to be really, really helpful for you to have more insight into like, oh my gosh, I didn't even realize that this was a thing. And also because the episodes coming up will help you because I will refer to certain numbers on the test to help you contextualize it. Go to CourtneyLoveGavin.com/perfectionism-test, or if I were you, I would just click the link in the show notes. Take that 11-question assessment. I will be back with more for you later today.